going on, guys? We here at Monument Mountain in Massachusetts. We got here a little late, so there's gonna be people around us. Hopefully we don't see too many people. We could have a peaceful hike. Either way, we're gonna make the best out of it. Y'all enjoy. This is my first time coming to this trail. Let's see what we run into or whatever. Let's make the best out of it. See you at the top. Alright, so we're gonna take the orange trail up. The sun is out, but then it's also cloudy. It's very humid today, muggy. They said it was gonna rain, so maybe that's what's gonna happen. You guys enjoy. So far, all I see is trees. Let's see what to expect at the end. Alright, well, we're gonna stay on the orange trail. We here right now. We're gonna go all through here. We'll do this next time. We was actually gonna start from here, but the parking lot was full, so just gonna knock this orange trail out today. It's a little incline. Still trees. These are the only colorful plants we see out here. Everything else is green. Let's keep heading up. Check out this. It's a rock. It looks like a cave, but I don't think it's a cave. Look at these beautiful colors. Nope, it's not a cave, but it's beautiful. Look at that. I'm gonna go under it. It's nice and cool down here too. Imagine Falls. That was pretty cool. Look at this big rock. I always wonder how these rocks ended up here. Did they fall off the mountains? Did they fall from up there? Look at this. Huge rocks. But you know, just because the rock looks small here, you don't know how deep it is underground. It's deeper. Man, it's so beautiful here. Look at this. Huge rocks. Oh man, I would hate to be the person at the end of the trail when these rocks are falling. Oh, let's go up to the top. Ooh, we're about 30 minutes in. Look at that. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Wow, this tree fell. So beautiful. Sometimes you gotta stop and take a second to be thankful. Thankful for the free things in life. Like, life is amazing and we get caught up in all these material things. And we forget about this stuff. Nature, you know? Sometimes I don't understand how people don't go to nature. They stay around buildings and congestion and it's just and stress, you know? This is such a stress reliever. Like, this is where we're supposed to be. Sometimes we gotta reboot, restart. This is like fasting, you know? But thank you guys for watching. Tune in, like and subscribe. All right, guys, we made it here, right here, and we was over here last time. Man, it's a long hike. So I guess we'll go up here and see if there's a view. Let's go. See you at the top. Whew. Whew. That was very steep. Hopefully there's nobody up here and we alone to get to enjoy this view. It's not a bad hike though. We've been hiking for about 45 minutes. Looks like we're here. Let's see. Okay guys, we made it to the top. Oh man. So the hike was about an hour, 20 minutes. There's a flag here, look at this. Wow. Wow. It's amazing. Exactly what I wanted. This is exactly what I wanted. Look at this. Amazing. We came from there and we are here and there's nobody here. Oh man, that's Vermont back there. This area is Massachusetts, which we are in right now. Man, imagine sliding down through here. So amazing. Look at this view. Whoa. Man. Oh man, look at this. Look at this. This is exactly what I wanted. I was a little upset in the beginning because we went to another trailhead. It was full of cars. I was like, we're not gonna be able to get some filming in without people all on top of us. But guess what? There's nobody here and it's starting to rain. It's starting to rain, guys, but I'm gonna stay here. It's time to take a break. It's pretty windy out here. It's gonna rain soon. Sorry for all the wind sounds, but let's head down here. Let's go. Oh man, I'm gonna jump this. Oh, okay. What's up there? Over here. Amazing. This view is so amazing. Oh. Angles. It's time for a lunch break. It's pretty windy today. Looks like it's gonna rain. Alright guys, we made it to the top. Beautiful view. I guess this trail had a good view after all. It looked like it's about to rain. See over there. Oop, almost fell back. Looks like it's raining over there already. Like and subscribe to my channel. Show some love to your boy. I'm trying to monetize this channel so I can travel, make money and travel more across the country, across the world. And I send my positive vibes out to you guys. And hopefully we make it out of here before it rains, but see that trees, wind is blowing. Hopefully we make it. I can barely stand up here, it's so windy. Look like it's raining over there. Man, it's pretty windy. The weather's a little better over here. But yeah, that rain is kicking in, man. Let me stick around for a second, see if it hit us. The flag is not blowing. It's so windy here and the flag is not blowing. That's the most random thing ever. And it's about to rain. The rain is coming in closer and closer. Thank God I brought my raincoat. So we're good to go if it rains, but yeah. I don't know. The wind just stopped suddenly and the flag is not blowing anymore. So I'm gonna wait here a few more seconds and see what happens. Beautiful view, right? Can't get enough of this. Oh, I hear it. You hear it? Starting to rain. Thank God I got these raincoats. I'm gonna head out. Oh man, I got caught in the rain. I'm gonna go get dried up. I'm soaked. It's pouring. This is a good trail. See you guys later.